Alright, back again with our Google site tutorial. So earlier we knew how to create a site. We changed our theme. Currently we're going with the impression theme. We added a page earlier. We now have a home page, which is right here. We have a calendar page. And then now, maybe we don't like this image here. So what we're going to do is we're going to change our image. So you go down over here to change image. As soon as you click, see when I click away from my theme area, when you click on your theme area or hover over it, you're going to get two boxes, header type, change image. Let's go to change image. If you click upload, my computer will freeze because it wants to do stuff and I have an older Mac. So if you click upload, it's going to try to get it from your computer. Whatever is on your hard drive on your computer, that's where that wants to go. But if you go to select image, where I'm going to go, you have an option. Notice here you got a gallery of preloaded images. Google does a great job of giving you generic cool things, colors, designs. You can see them all. You got to buy URL so you can drop that stuff in there. You can search, which I find to be really cool. You have your albums. So these are things like of my family. I mean, you can see how old these things are. And then we can go to Google Drive, and I've already got a preloaded image of Fort Hays State, so we're going to select that one. We're going to select. Notice how it's adjusting for readability. And then now we've got a background image where we can change some things for readability. Like it said, it's going to put it back in the background a little bit where things are a little easier to read. Go to our home page. Notice it's still here, so you're going to have to change that image if you want it on every page, which is pretty cool. That's how you can change a thing or add an image to your header.